Hey guys, it's Stoof. Welcome back to my channel. We are into October of 2025 already, and it is time for our monthly memo. Thanks for watching this video. Sign up for my monthly newsletter if you haven't done so yet. I send out one email a month. This is like the video version of that, kind of like a summary. And if you sign up for the newsletter, you'll get special discounts. Every month I have a deal of the month. That brings me to this month's deal of the month is 15% off custom commissions. So if you are interested in ordering a custom painting for a loved one for the holidays, now is the best time to place that order. I already have a couple orders coming in, starting to work on those. So go ahead and place that order on my website. I have a link for that in the description under this video. All right, so looking back on the month of September, I did live painting at weddings in Ohio and all over Pennsylvania. Also did a live painting demonstration as part of the Carnegie Arts Walk. As you may know, I have my artwork represented by Firebox Art Gallery in Carnegie, and they are part of the Arts Walk, so I set up my painting station and a tent outside of the Firebox Gallery, and I worked on a painting of St. Mary Lake in Glacier National Park. So that painting is drying on the rack, and I'm going to finish that over the next month or two, time permitting. Another thing I did last month is I taught an in-person class on how to market your artwork using the internet and social media, and I plan on posting that full presentation on this YouTube channel. I just need time to edit that presentation for you guys. So that's coming your way. If you are considering doing art full-time or transitioning from doing art as a hobby into doing art as a business, I highly recommend watching that video when it comes out. It's going to be very beneficial for you guys, and it's free. It's a presentation that I put hours and hours of research and my own time creating to make it easy and helpful for you guys to grow your art businesses. So definitely keep an eye out for that. Also, last month I sold a painting that I created back in like 2018, 2019. It was a big painting of Pittsburgh. It's titled Pittsburgh in Bloom, and that finally sold, so that was nice. October is starting out as a pretty busy month. I have live wedding paintings, one in Lancaster and one in Cranberry Township, Pennsylvania. I also have 4 paintings currently on display at the Pitt Greensburg Art Show. So if you live near Pitt Greensburg, go ahead and stop over there and check out my paintings at the Milstein Library. That show will be up through October 10th. So October is where I'm going to start kind of gearing down with the wedding season, and I'll start ramping up on painting commissions for the holidays. All right, guys, have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.